Okay, students. Already I gave this table. Now the thing already I told us 0 180 0 180 degree, no change in function. If 90 270, there is a change. Change in the sense sin change to cos change to sin, tan change to cot change to tan, secant change to cosecant change to secant. This is okay. Now my question, minus theta, 0 minus theta. Suppose what is sin of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, secant of minus theta, and the cosecant of minus theta. Minus theta means it is 0 minus theta. 0 minus theta, 0 here, plus theta means that side, minus theta means below this. 0 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. 0 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, which is positive, cos is positive, secant is positive. So cos is positive and the secant is positive. Remaining all negative. And here 0. Already I told you, 0 180 comes no change. So 0 comes no change. So sin become sin only, cos become cos only, tan become tan, cot become cot, secant become secant, cosecant become cosecant. So minus theta comes only cos of minus theta plus cos theta and secant of minus theta plus secant theta, because it is in the fourth quadrant. So remaining all negative. So you should remember all this formula while doing the problem. We'll use only cos of minus theta plus cos theta, secant of minus theta plus secant theta. Remaining all we have minus will come outside. Okay. Next, pi by 2 minus theta and pi by 2 plus theta. See, pi by 2 minus theta. You know pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 till here. Minus theta means little less. That means it is in first quadrant. Pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant. You know this. So what happened to sin pi by 2 minus theta and cos pi by 2 minus theta, tan pi by 2 minus theta, cot pi by 2 minus theta, secant pi by 2 minus theta, cosecant pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. All the 6 ratios are positive. So plus, 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 plus. All are positive. So pi by 2 comes, there will be a change. You know change. How the pi by 2 comes, there is a change. Sin become cos, cos becomes sin. So sin become cos, cos becomes sin. Tan become cot, cot become tan. So tan become cot, cot become tan. Secant become cosecant. This is cosecant theta and cosecant becomes secant. This is secant theta. So sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta. These two like one pair. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta, cot 90 minus theta tan theta. Similarly, secant pi by 2 minus theta is cosecant theta, cosecant pi by 2 minus theta is secant theta. You must remember this is a very important one. Many places will use these formulas. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta, cot 90 minus theta tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta secant theta. Okay. Next, pi by 2 plus theta, what will happen? See, pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 is still here, plus something means it comes to second quadrant. It is in second quadrant, you know that. So here, what happened to sin pi by 2 plus theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta, tan pi by 2 plus theta, cot pi by 2 plus theta, secant pi by 2 plus theta, cosecant pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, which is positive, sin and cosecant positive. So sin positive and cosecant positive. Remaining all negative. After that pi by 2 comes, no, pi by 2 comes, there is a change. Change means sin change to cos, cos change to sin. Tan change to cot, cot change to tan. Secant change to cosecant, cosecant change to secant. Copy this. Next, 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is lies in again. 180 means still here, minus theta means it is also again second quadrant. So what is sin 180 minus theta? Cos 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta, secant 180 minus theta, cosecant 180 minus theta. See, second quadrant, only sin and cosecant are positive. Sin is positive, cosecant is positive, remaining all negative. Next, 180 comes, 180 comes, no change. So sin becomes sin only, cos become cos, tan become tan, cot become cot, secant becomes secant, cosecant becomes cosecant. That's all. Okay.